The k-empty slots problem involves finding a day when exactly k adjacent bulbs are turned off among a given array of bulb states. We use a sliding window by starting with a window of size k plus 1 and slide it over the array of bulbs. For each window position, we check if there are no turned on bulbs within the window. If there are no turned on bulbs, it means k adjacent bulbs are empty and we found the desired day. We continue moving the window until we find a valid day or exhaust all possibilities. If no solution is found, we return -1. Second is to use a tree set to store the positions of turned on bulbs. We iterate through the array of bulbs and add each bulb's position to the tree set. For each position added, we check if there are adjacent positions with a distance of k bulbs between them. And if we find these positions, it means that k adjacent bulbs are empty and we found the day we want. We continue iterating through the array and updating the tree set until we find a valid day or reach the end. If no solution is found, we return -1.